In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an upload file button in Wix Studio. If you've ever been curious about integrating this functionality into your site to allow users to easily upload files, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into the steps involved in this process. First things first, you'll want to head over to wix.com. Once you're logged in and at your dashboard, ensure you navigate to the website you want to edit. This is where the magic begins, so make sure you've selected the right project before moving forward. Next, locate the option to click on Quick Edit. This is usually prominently displayed once you're in the edit mode of your chosen site. Quick Edit is such a handy feature in Wix, as it lets you streamline modifications efficiently without needing to go too deep into each detailed setting. It's perfect for those quick updates like the one we'll be doing today. Now, find yourself scrolling all the way down. This might seem a bit mundane, but it's essential. You want to get to the very bottom of your editing options, so take your time and ensure you've reached it before proceeding. Once you've arrived at the bottom, you'll find an option for adding a button. Buttons in Wix are incredibly versatile, allowing you to anchor various actions such as file uploads, links, or commands. Spotting this button at the bottom may seem like a hidden treasure, but it's straightforward once you know where to look. After spotting the button, it's time to edit it. You can easily click on it and rename it to something meaningful like Upload File. This simple act of renaming gives clarity to your users about the button's purpose. Keep your labels intuitive. This ensures your site remains user-friendly and fulfills user expectations at a glance. At this stage, you're almost done. With your button renamed, you'll see your new upload file button ready to be saved. Before wrapping up, click on the Save option. It's a critical step to ensure all your hard work is aptly recorded, preventing any loss of changes. Finally, after hitting Save, go ahead and click on Save and Continue. This step further locks in your modifications across the platform. It's the last line of defense in making sure that your website now sports a fully functional upload file button. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added an upload file button to your Wix website using Wix Studio. Now your users can benefit from this new feature, and your site is more interactive and efficient than ever. Enjoy exploring further capabilities of Wix for continued enhancements to your site. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and remember to hit subscribe for more helpful tutorials.